J Maddie Squad. It's Jamie.
Finally, Mari.
And today we're gonna be making some.
What are we making?
Coquito. We're gonna be making some coquitos today.
Okay.
Some coquito. It's gonna be strong. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be casero. That means like homemade. So
this is gonna be our first time making it.
It's our first time. We got the rum. Don't
So
cue.
let's see how it comes out.
Puerto Rican. And we got the ingredients. We're gonna be showing you guys. It's right here. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys the ingredients. We have starting with the coconut milk. So
That's
coconut cream right here, as you guys can see. Sorry.
Coconut milk.
Then we have some coconut milk. Very important. And we got evaporated milk. So we got this kind. You guys don't have to get this kind. You guys can get any. And then we have this as well. This is condensed milk. It's really good for like making flan and stuff like that. But you can use it.
And then cinnamon and nutmeg.
Cinnamon and nutmeg. What else?
Vanilla extract.
We got some
rum.
vanilla extract and some rum. Can't be missing the rum in this thing. Okay, guys. So let's get started. What's first, baby?
We're gonna do a count of each thing.
So a count of each. So let's start with that.
This.
Okay. Pass me the opener so I can open that for you while you do that one. Okay.
Oh no, you only have to open this one.
Oh, you don't need the coconut milk.
These you can open them like this.
Okay. So for now, I'm opening the can.
Let's start with this one. I heard this is like really thick.
It is really thick. So let's show them how thick it is. Look, guys, that thing is so thick. Look at it. Ugh.
You showed them how thick it was.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is the condensed milk. It's really thick as well, guys. As you guys can see. Be careful with the top so that you guys don't get hurt. But this is super thick. Okay. What's next? The coconut milk? You want me to open it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put in that one.
So we got coconut milk next. She's gonna be putting in the coconut milk.
Film this because I gotta do it for the other one. Whee.
So guys, she's putting in the coconut milk right now. I'll show you guys so you guys can see a little closer how she put those in. Go. It. Okay, what's next, baby?
The condensed one, I think.
The condensed milk? Okay, be careful with this little top right here, baby.
Oh.
Be careful with that.
Okay.
So she's gonna be putting that on. As she's making this video, she's also making a reel, guys, so that some people can get the short extended version. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. It's very important that you guys go on Facebook and interact, because there you guys can get a lot of videos and stuff like that there.
Thick.
We're making a video.
This is so thick.
So what's next, baby?
The evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk. Shit, I didn't open it. Sorry. Do Cubans make coquito? No? So what's the ponche that you guys drink for stuff like that?
I don't know.
For Christmas time.
I have no idea.
Okay, so now we have the evaporated milk.
Like there?
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Maybe I can put it in.
Okay, do it then.
Okay. That's a lot, baby. You think the blender gonna hold all of these things?
I don't know. I guess not.
What are we missing?
The rum.
Oh.
We might have to split it into 2 batches.
We might have to split it into 2 batches, guys.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a splash of vanilla extract.
Good thing she ain't asking me to do that, because I would have thrown the whole thing in. Splash. What's a splash? Oh, that's a good bit. That's a very good bit. Very vanilla-y. So then I'm gonna follow with some cinnamon. Can I follow with some cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just close that up.
I'm gonna follow with some cinnamon.
Shake, shake, shake. That's it.
That's it. Oh, shit.
Oh
No.
The pasta.
Oh, I overdid it. I overdid it a little bit. Sorry. Okay.
Girl.
Okay.
Let's move this back a little bit.
Alright.
Hold on, let me make sure I save my video. Girl. Cinnamon.
The last thing I did was cinnamon. Okay.
Okay, that's nutmeg. Right.
Now we're gonna follow with some nutmeg.
Go ahead.
A splash. Let me know when to stop.
I guess there.
There? Okay.
Yeah. She's like, there? There? Don't worry, I got you.
Okay, now what's next, baby?
Here's some more.
Maybe blended everything.
And some more. Yeah, where did I put the top? Oh,
right there.
Ooh,
So
it smells.
It's smelling Christmassy.
Ooh. I wonder if this is gonna fit. Oh yeah.
It's like barely fitting, but it's gonna fit.
Oh my goodness. That was close.
I think we should have used a real blender.
This is a real blender.
I mean, you know which one. Our Ninja.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it. You were not looking?
No. Good thing I stopped it. It overflowed.
Oh my gosh.
So then we just put
That's
the
the
other big jar.
bubbles.
So what we're gonna do is just put the other jar because it overflowed a little bit. Well, a good bit.
A good bit.
So
It's the bubbles. You gotta let it thing down.
we're gonna let it cool down. I'll get that thing so that we can, like, when we pour the kids' own.
Get what? Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
I was like, what are you talking about? Okay. So
what we're gonna do now is
transfer to here.
yeah, transfer it. We're gonna transfer it to there, and when we get to a little bit, we're gonna transfer it to the children's cup, to the children's thing. We're making a virgin version, a virgin version for the children. You know, like if you like piña colada, but you make a virgin. Ay, ay, ay.
No. Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
You got this. You got this. You can do it. You got this. Do you want me to do it? Go, 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 go.
I can't. Wait, let me put it.
No, give me. I can get it.
Move the thing back so I can let it go. I can't do that.
She's scared that she'll spill it all, and
That was scary.
so she's scared that she will spill it all. But I might spill it all, but I'm not scared because you live and you learn.
You did it. Good job.
One thing I did wrong is I I poured it all, but I didn't pour the one for the kids.
to put the one for the kids.
So I'm gonna pour some back in here to put the one for the kids.
Hopefully it doesn't spill. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, so this is the little thing we're gonna use for the kids. These are like you know, the apple jars. We never throw away jars, as you guys know from previous videos, so they come in handy for times like this.
You need more.
I need more. We have 2 kids, so we're gonna do 2. Oh my god, but maybe 1.
You can do 1.
Yeah, let's just do 1.
Cause I don't know.
Let's do 1 and they can share 1.
I mean, you can.
I know Ezra will drink the whole thing. So 1 is done for the kids. I know Ezra will drink all of this because Ezra is a fan of milk.
Yep.
And now the fun part, guys. The fun part.
Wait, we didn't try it.
Oh, let's try it.
We gotta try it to see how it tastes.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay, it's okay. Maybe there's like a little bit there. Okay, just
A little bit where?
I was gonna say there's probably like a little bit
No,
that
there
we can
wasn't.
taste. That's it. That's fine.
We're doing the safe test.
It'll taste better once you.
Really good. It's missing the alcohol though. It's missing the alcohol.
When you put the rum. Do we put it back in there to put the rum, or should we just put it?
Here's the lesson. You want to try it?
No, but it's alcohol.
No, it's not. It doesn't have any
none-
alcohol.
There's none in there yet.
Try it. Try some. It doesn't have any alcohol. We put one with no alcohol. This is the alcohol that we put in it. What do you think?
Good. Mama, is alcohol weird?
Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, so she said to put 2 cups. I
said to put 1.5.
1.5. I personally would just pour until the ancestor tells me to
Put
stop.
2 cups.
So I'm gonna put 2 cups.
Oh, no.
Here goes 1 cup.
Okay, wait. Let me get on the other side.
Sebastian,
Alright, ready?
here goes another cup. Now we have 2 cups.
Okay, now we have to see.
Damn, they only, it looks like half the bottle already.
Yeah, that it says this only brings like 5 cups.
5 cups?
Yeah, it's
More like 4 cups.
4 cups and a half, maybe.
Okay.
You gave it a good mix.
Yeah, I'm mixing, guys. I'm gonna try it like this. It's really good. I think we should put more alcohol, but I want you to try it.
Put it in another.
Let's get you another cup.
You can probably use the cup measure and everything.
It's easier for me to pour it in here
Yeah.
because it's a bigger container.
Let's see. I hope it's good.
It's missing some alcohol. Let's see.
I can smell it.
Try it. You'll see. Too much?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's perfect.
Okay, so we did it. We made it, guys.
We made it. So now we're gonna pour it into our jar. So you guys want to stay tuned to see how we put it in? We just put it back into this vase, and this will be our holiday punch.
You should have put like half, and then you put half. That would have been easier for you.
Yeah. Yeah, because this is kind of heavy.
It's dripping.
A little bit though.
A good thing I put this thingy.
Oh wow. It barely made a dent.
The freaking video.
We did a lot.
So that means we need more glass containers.
We need more glass containers, guys.
I think we probably have 2 more of these.
Yeah, these I got them at Amazon. I'm going to put the link for you guys so you guys can have it. I got these at Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the bio for you guys to see it, okay?
So that makes a lot.
Let's give one to our neighbors.
Yeah. That makes a lot of liquid.
I wonder how long does this upkeep for?
I don't know, but you'll drink it before it expires.
Oh no, I was thinking about sending one to my mom.
Oh.
Like I sent her a small bottle.
You probably
Where's
can,
this other small bottle?
You probably can send it.
Did you have 2?
To what?
2 small bottles like this?
I had 2, but I don't want you to put it in there because then you're gonna mix it with the thing.
But you would know when it's alcoholic though.
Okay, guys.
So, alright guys, we did it. We made coquitos. Hope you guys enjoy making coquito with us. It was a really nice experience for us.
Fun.
First time making coquito, and we really love the coquito. This is my first time making coquito ever, and
Mine
this is
too.
the first time too. So hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today and making this coquito. See you next day for more Vlogmas.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, there's going to be the link in the bio for these glass bottles so that you can make your own coquitos and share with your family. These are really good. I usually use them to put my fresh juices, but they work for coquito. Also, you can always use recyclable bottles of liquor if you have some lying around. Not that you're an alcoholic or anything like that, but you know, those work too. But I feel like these are great. So let's give it a try. I can't wait to see. Tag us in your next coquito recipe. We're gonna be putting our Instagrams, so make sure you follow us there. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok, and make sure you guys follow our Facebook page. That is very important to us. Bye. See you next time.